How listening to English songs helps you learn English. Listening to English songs is a fun way to learn English. Music makes learning easier and more enjoyable. Many people use songs to improve their language skills. Here are some ways English songs can help you learn. 1. Improves listening skills. English songs help you listen to words and sentences. When you listen to music, you hear different accents and pronunciations. This helps you understand spoken English better. 2. Increases vocabulary. Songs have many new words. You can learn new vocabulary from the lyrics. For example, Love songs teach words about emotions. Pop songs have everyday conversation words. Story songs help with storytelling vocabulary. 3. Helps with pronunciation. When you sing along with a song, you practice pronunciation. You learn how to say words correctly. Repeating the lyrics helps you speak better. 4. Makes learning fun. Music is enjoyable. When learning is fun, you remember things better. Singing along makes studying feel like a game. 5. Teaches common phrases. Many songs use common expressions and idioms. Learning these phrases helps in daily conversations. For example, Let it go means forget about it. Break my heart means make me sad. 6. Helps with sentence structure. Songs show how sentences are formed. You can see how words fit together in a sentence. This helps with grammar. 7. Improves memory. Music helps you remember words and phrases. If you like a song, you listen to it many times. This helps you remember English words. 8. Builds confidence. Singing in English gives you confidence. You practice without fear. This makes speaking English easier. 9. Exposes you to different accents. Songs come from different countries. Listening to music helps you understand different English accents, like American or British English. 10. Makes learning natural. Babies learn language by listening. Music works the same way. You learn English naturally by listening to songs. How to use songs to learn English? Choose simple and slow songs. Read the lyrics while listening. Sing along to practice pronunciation. Write down new words and find their meanings. Repeat songs to remember words better. Conclusion. Listening to English songs is a great way to learn. It helps with listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence. Enjoy music and improve your English at the same time.